We're gonna use all the shades today. What is up, my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I am Leah if you are new, and if not, welcome back. So today I'll be doing a all eyeshadow by KYLIE Cosmetics. This is the Calm Before the Storm palette. So I actually had so much fun making this look. I absolutely love it. So if you like what you see right here, just continue watching. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with this Unicorn Essence Drops. I don't know if it's just me, but this smells like chocolate flowers, if that makes any sense. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with my Airflash Foundation by DIOR. This is in 205. And I'm just going to spray it on a beauty blender. Going in with a second layer. This is actually pretty buildable foundation, so it can go from medium to full coverage. Okay, and then next I'm just going to be taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. And then next I'm going to be taking my Clinique Chubby Stick. This is Curvy Contour 01. Okay, and then next I'm going to be taking my RCMA No Color Powder and just bake in my face. Okay, and the time we've all been waiting for, my box. I've literally been waiting for this box since the stormy calm of the I already forget the name. That's how long it's been since I've ordered this. Okay, calm of the storm, calm before the storm. I literally ordered this when it came out, and it's been like a couple months now, so that's great. I ended up emailing them, and they said that it got lost in transit, so that's super cool. They ended up sending me a new one though. Thank you very much. So it came in like this shoebox, literally a shoebox. Okay, so we got a thank you note. I hope you love your latest purchase. Stay tuned for more exciting products coming soon. Love, Kylie Jenner. Oh, thanks, Kylie. Like, we're BFFs. So then when you open it, it looks like this. Look at this. Really cute. So I got 3 lip kits. I got these two are literally the same. I don't know why I got them, but whatever. I got 3 lip kits. I got Mary Jo, KoKo K, and Candy K. Super excited, super excited. Literally what I've been waiting for so long. This gorgeous little thing. Calm Before the Storm. Then they just gave me this free little makeup bag. Looks like that. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. Let's get this show on the road. Numero uno. If y'all aren't familiar with HQ, you better wobble on over to it. Okay, so I'm gonna open up this little box. Yeah! I'll give you guys the first look. Is it gorgeous? I see it, it's so cute. I'm trying to figure out which Okay, Sunrise is obviously yellow, so it's on this side. Okay, so on the back, it's like opposite to what it is on the inside. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with Northern Lights. That's the green one in the middle here. Right there. Okay, and then next I'm gonna go into Aquarius. So that is the purple shade. I think if I'm doing the crisscross backwards, frontwards properly, it's Aquarius. Okay, and then next I'm gonna go in with True Love. And then I'm gonna take Sunshine. Next I'm gonna be taking Angel. And then I'm gonna be taking True Love again. So next, for the inner corner right here, I'm gonna be taking a shimmer shade, and I think I wanna be taking Star Baby. Yeah, Star Baby. So it's just the shimmer right here. It's kind of a blue, but it's also like a gray, white, if that makes any sense. Also going to be taking actually the yellow shimmer, and that is the Little Wonder. And I'm just going to like take it from the end and just kind of blend it into the yellow. Okay, and then I'm just going to quickly go in and do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that these guys are on, I'm going to be going right back into the palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Star Baby and just putting that under my eyebrows. Then I'm going to be taking my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner. This one is done, I'm going to be going in and just doing the other one, and I will be right back. So now that both wings are on, I'm going to be taking my MAC Graph Black, not liquid, just eyeliner. It's like a crayon liner. Okay, and then next I'm going to be taking my BadGal Bang by Benefit mascara. Now that the eyes are all finished, I'm going to be going in with my Rimmel London Sun Shimmer Bronzer. So next I'm going to be going into blush. I'm going to be taking my Bare Minerals. This is in Beauty. And then I'm just gonna set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And then I'm gonna take my Smashbox highlighting palette, and I'm gonna be taking the shade Turn Up Pearl. Open my KoKo and I'm gonna take the liner. Alright, so this is the final look. What does everyone think? I absolutely love how it turned out. I had so much fun making this. Even though my palette took so long to come in, I forgive you. But yeah, it's so colorful and fun. I just absolutely love it. As you could tell, I used all the matte shades in the palette and some of the shimmers. Yeah, so leave comments below letting me know what you thought of this look and also what you want to see next time. And until next time, goodbye my beautifuls. Woo! KYLIE.